Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the product development in order to increase our sales car. So, by looking at our situation right now, where the environmental concern growing among the consumers and also the rising of the gasoline price and so on. So, what I want to say is we have to create a new innovation in technology and science in order to cope this problem. For example, by launching a new electric sport car, or also known as a fuel efficient ride. So why I recommend this car is because this car have many benefit compared to the car that use the gasoline full time. For example, this electric car does not produce any pollution to our environment. So thus there are no adverse effect will occur to our ozone layer. Beside that, this car also can take you for hundreds of miles with a single charge. So I think this car are more affordable or reliable than those cars that use gasoline. Next, I would like to suggest some ideas about the futures in our new car. So due to this pandemic COVID-19 right now, I think it will be good if we can add a small hand sanitizer holder inside the car. So this actually can help the driver to always prepare themselves for a hand sanitizer inside the car. As we all already knew that by using this hand sanitizer, it can prevent ourselves from getting affected by this COVID-19. So, a side airbag is also one of the important features that must have in our new sport car. Why I say this? Because majority car out there are use this airbag as their main feature. So, what is the purpose of this airbag actually? So, the purpose of this airbag is to provide a vehicle occupant with a soft cushioning during a collision or the crash event. So beside that, it also can reduce injuries between the vehicle occupant and the interior of the vehicle. Last but not least, we have to add a new security system in our new car. So there are two types of the security system that I want to mention here. First is about the car alarm. So this car alarm is electronic device that installed in our car in order to prevent our car from getting stolen. For example, if anybody or thief try to ride our car without our permission, this car will automatically produce a high volume of alarm so that the people out there will notice that our car has been stolen. So the second security system is the steering wheel lock. So these types of security system have the same purpose with the alarm car, is to prevent our car from getting stolen. So for example, if somebody or the thief try to ride our car without our permission, this steering wheel car will automatically stop so that the thief will not be able to drive the car anymore.
Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. I as a designer of our company, I will explain about our design car. Okay, as you can see at the first slide, it shows the car design from all view, from upper, from side view and in front view. This is our car look like from what I have designed using a CAD application. Okay, we go to next slide. Next slide is about main body design of the car. Each of the design part have their own functions. So I will explain about the function one by one. The first picture is about the aerodynamic shape. Why we use aerodynamic shape? Because aerodynamic shape can reducing the drag, reducing a wind noise and preventing a lift force at the high speed. Or for some classes of racing vehicle, it may also be important to produce a desirable downward aerodynamic forces to improve traction and thus cornering abilities. The second picture is sedan car. We use a sedan car as a design because it better in terms of acceleration, braking speed, and fuel economy. It also have less mass to move and it easier to move. Except that it also can overcome much of inertia every time you plant your foot. The second last picture is about material. We use a material as iron and steel. Why? Because iron and steel develop the critical component of the structure for the bulk manufacturing of vehicle and have low cost. Okay. The best reason for using steel as a body structure is its natural capability to absorb the impact energy produced when the car have a crash. The last picture is about electric motor. Actually, we choose electric motor because it means that we need a great electric car. It can save us a maintenance cost. Battery EVs using no gasoline engine and they do not to change any oil, spark plug and everything. Okay, last slide is about the feature of our design. Firstly is autopilot, second is parking assist sensor. It can remove the stress out of parallel parking in a tight spot without worry of accident. Second, besides that, using a smart suspension because smart suspension provide a good handling and comfortable ride in both systems. Next is blind spot monitoring and the last one is auto dimming mirror.
Hello and good morning everyone. Hope you all doing well. I'm Faizlia and I'm as the financial manager for this company. I am responsible to maintain the financial health of the organization, analyze cost, pricing, variable contributions, sales results, and the company's actual performance compared to the business plans, and I am responsible to manage the preparations of the company's budget. And now, let me present to all of you about the financial review for our company. As you can see in this slide, the bar chart shows that the number of car sales from January to June decreased, while from August to December, the number of car sales per unit is slightly increased. In the second quarter of 2020, we got the lowest number of car sales in unit for July, while we got the highest sales on January. This is due to the pandemic, where a lot of people getting unemployment, jobless, and getting a shortage income. This issue affect the car's price to decrease as long as our company income sales. Okay, now let we jump into the budget of our new sport car design. We use 80,000 ringgit Malaysia for designing, where the car consists of 5 elements, which are super capacitor for 20,000 ringgit Malaysia, hand sanitizer holder for 1,000 ringgit Malaysia, side airbags for 20,000 ringgit Malaysia, rear view camera for 9,000 ringgit Malaysia, and lithium ion battery for 30,000 ringgit Malaysia. Next is the budget for marketing, which is 20,000 ringgit Malaysia. We use 6,000 ringgit Malaysia to conduct a show and adopt a marketing campaign of targeting the customers. Other than that, we also promote our new product through digital and non-digital platform, which use of 4,000 ringgit Malaysia. Our company use influencers to review and promote our product, which spend 2,000 ringgit Malaysia and spend 8,000 ringgit Malaysia to boost our company name through partnership and sponsorship. Besides, our company used 20,000 ringgit Malaysia for the utilities which are consist of water and electricity. As for the facilities of our company, it consists of purchases on gloves, face mask, face shield, goggles, boots and apron which spend for 10,000 ringgit Malaysia. The increasing growth of automotive industry in Malaysia has not been matched by the number of local suppliers and makes the automotive industries too dependent on imported raw materials. Along with the needs of import activities, it is also required a greater logistic activities. Hence, we spend 20,000 ringgit Malaysia for purchase of raw materials. So, as the financial manager, I hope that we can improve our marketing effectiveness and efficiency so that it will help our new product sales increase more and more.
Hello and good morning everyone. I'm Fangie and I'm as advertising manager in this company. I am responsible for marketing and promoting our products and company. I perform research to find the target audience and I am responsible to measure ads effectiveness and optimize it if needed. Now I will present to you about our car advertisement. There are two platforms that we use which are digital and non-digital platforms. For digital platform, we choose several platforms that have high potential to get customers. The first one is Facebook. This is because Facebook is the most used platform that almost all businesses can advertise on. Facebook is our first choice of all digital marketing platforms because Facebook monthly active users is around 2.7 billion people. Therefore, Facebook allows us to reach out a lot of relevant people, which are our target customers. The second platform to advertise our car is Instagram. Instagram also has over 600 million monthly active users and quite popular in our country. Thus, Instagram is a great platform for engaging with customers who enjoy visual content, and it is a great platform to reach out to young working adults and teenagers. Next is YouTube. YouTube is the best platform to show people out there our video advertisement. With these video ads, it makes us more easily to promote our car not only in our country Malaysia but also in other country. One of the best parts of YouTube is that we can set who will be watching our video ads, which are our target customers. Other than that, our company will also develop advertising campaigns including TV ads, commercials, ad for radio, and pay-per-click. Besides, we will also use website to promote our sport car. With this website, it can build our customer trust, and by having an online presence through our website, we are able to reach more customers. At the same time, we can link our website to WhatsApp. It will much more easily and get fast information to communicate with our customers. Now let's move to the non-digital platforms. First and foremost, we promote our car by conducting a show or marketing campaigns. This is because with this activity, we can promote our car directly to the customers. We will also give them flyers and help them to make educated purchase. In addition, we will also use influencers to review and promote our product because influencers can be very useful in brand promotions and it is also one of the way to increase marketing. Last but not least, we will use banner for our sport car advertisement. This is because banner reinforces our company's good image. We will place it in a high traffic so that the chances to reach our customers increase.